Let's take a look at the chart action for Polygon. Alright, so here's what I'm looking at on MATIC. We're on the daily time frame right now. We have resistance right here, resistance right here, resistance right here. We have support right here, support right here, support right here. I'm watching this resistance line right here and this support line right there. Looks like a falling wedge pattern in my opinion. I think if we break this trend line going to the upside, we can target the previous resistance, something like that. This is sitting at around 1.426. I think if we break this resistance line right there, we might even be able to target this area right here or this area right here. These levels are sitting at around 1.62 and around 1.73. If we zoom out, we can see previous resistance that we got right here and previous resistance that we got right here. I'm looking at this downtrend, something like this. We also have previous support right here and previous support right here. Basically watching this big triangle pattern, something like that. I think if we could break out of this big triangle pattern, we might see a really big move when we break this trend line. Let's see if we can get a bounce on the total crypto market cap and we can start heading back to the upside. Okay, let's take a look at the total crypto market cap. We had an uptrend like this. When we broke that uptrend, we set up the Fibonacci retracement from the bottom to the top. I've been watching the 38% level and the 50% level. So we got bounces on that 38% level and then we came down and got bounces on the 50% level. Basically what I'm thinking, are we going to hold support on this 50% level and get a nice bounce to the upside? If we get a bounce to the upside, then we can start setting more bullish targets. We're on the 4-hour time frame right now and we have resistance right here, support, support, support. It looks like we're coming up. We have some momentum to come up to retest that downtrend right there. I think if we could break out of that, that's going to be a very good signal. Hopefully we could retest this bigger downtrend and maybe break through that. Step 1 is breaking this trend line right here to the upside. Okay, so if we jump back over to MATIC, step 1 is breaking this downtrend right here to the upside. It looks like we're about to test it right now. We have this 180 moving average coming in right here, kind of like the total crypto market cap. I'm kind of curious if this is going to give us resistance before we even get to this resistance level up here. So this is sitting at around 1.32 and then the target would be around 1.42. If we could break through this level, then I'll be targeting around 1.619, something like that. Let's see if we could do step 1 and then step 2 and step 3 pretty much. Alright, if you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up button.